Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. Today I'm showcasing something slightly different to what we normally work on, and today what we're showcasing is these trailers. So we've upgraded these trailers with a couple of different products. First of all, we've added on sign writing to the vehicles, then we've added on vehicle tracking as well as an additional lighting circuit. So what I'm going to do is talk you through a little bit more about how these trailers and how we've carried out the work on these as well. So all this has been done from our workspace in Horningsea. We're going to start off with the sign writing. So on the sides of these trailers, what this customer requested was a couple of lines going across, 3 lines on either side. And that was basically because where loading areas on the trailers are, they wanted them not to be overloading. So now drivers can easily see exactly where the loading space finishes, and that's all been designed and spec'd according to how the customer wanted it. So it's on a fluorescent amber lines across the sides, and there's 3 on either side, so it doesn't matter what site they go to, they can load up on either side and see clearly exactly where the loading bays are. So that's on the sides of the vehicle, and then we've also labelled each one of these trailers with the trailer numbers, so easily identifiable, and they are on the front of each trailer. In terms of any other sign writing, we can do full commercial logos on trailers as well as fleet vehicles as well. So if you're interested in something like that, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll drop all our contact details below. In terms of the vehicle tracking system, obviously as these are fixed assets and they're not assets that are hooked up or given power, we're using what's called asset tracking. We use a system called CanTrack, but we do a couple of other options as well. So if you're interested, if you own a bit of plant or a trailer or any asset for that matter that you're looking to track where it doesn't have an ignition source or an engine, feel free to get in touch with us. We can do a wide variety of installations across plant vehicles, commercial vehicles, as well as trailers like these. So these are all tracked off a live platform, and what these units do is ping once a day, but also have a stolen recovery team. If one of these trailers is stolen, they'll recover the trailer nice and quickly. In terms of the lighting circuit, which is the main thing this customer wanted on these trailers, a phenomenal amount of work has gone into installing this system into these trailers. So each one is identical, and then this is going to be carried out across the fleet. But in terms of the system that we've done, in terms of lighting clusters, we've got one older trailer here that we've upgraded that as well. And what that had was some halogen lights, 2 lights on the back, and we see this day in, day out on trailers. However, what we like to use is the Utility 80 laser lamps. An absolutely amazing quality and a really, really broad and wide spectrum of light that it produces. In terms of the lighting, we've added 4 lights to the circuit, and also so there's 2 on either side, 2 at the rear in the way the rest of the fleet are, and 2 additionals a bit further back so they can see a little bit wider when the vehicles are reversing. In terms of this circuit, obviously we're going off a reversing light feed, which the tolerance of that isn't high enough to what the draw we're pulling. So what we've done is used a bit of engineering, we've thought this all through, and we've designed it and spec'd it to exactly how these guys use their trailers. So when you hook up the trailer, the way it works is the cable, we've taken a feed off that power cable when you hook up, and what we've done, as soon as they are driving along with their daytime running lights on, they're charging our 24-volt system. We've added a split charge system to the vehicle. So daytime running lights will then charge the 2 12-volt batteries, giving us 24 volt. And what that does is that charges up and gives you around about 10 to 15 hours of reversing with those lights on. Then when you select reverse, we're using relays to trip that, and then as you select reverse, the lighting on the sides of the vehicle as well as your standard reverse light will turn on, allowing for a really clear and bright area when you're reversing. So if you're interested in something completely custom designed or anything for that matter in terms of an installation on trailers or Arctic trucks, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll drop all our contact details below, but thank you for watching our short video on how we've upgraded these trailers. For more details, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our commercial team. We're more than happy to upgrade your fleet. Thank you very much.